the most important. But to feel like a Muslim, again, feeling may be different as I gave the earlier answer. That being honest is more important than wearing a beard and wearing the cap. But being honest and wearing the cap and the beard is much better than only being honest without the beard. But a person who's proud to be a Muslim would always like to show that he's a Muslim. So if you're proud to be a Muslim, for example, when a person passes medical degree, he becomes a doctor. When he gets his MBBS degree, and he puts a doctor in front of his name. Why? Well, he's proud to be a doctor. The person is proud to be a Muslim. He would be proud to show that he's a Muslim. And this is one of the labels that the Muslim has. That is wearing a beard and wearing a cap.
Two comments before I put forward questions you could ask. We have Shahjini Ibrahim Hassan Sidhi. He asks, in fact, they fear the young Zakir sir. They need to show their beliefs is right. They don't think that Islam is most growing religion without the help of the media. Allah knows best. Then we have Brother Akib who says, I'm a practicing Muslim and I have myself been subjected to typification and biases many a time. But I feel NDTV and Burqa are one of the best things around. I agree Zakir Naik should have been given more time to speak. But it's a short time show and all is not possible. Shahrukh has spoken most wisely and said what Islam actually says except one or 2 points which we all are humans are bound to err. Kudos to NDTV and Burqa, but yeah, KK, Padamsi, VC, Jamia and Soha spoke their whims.
As I said that what he spoke about Islam was far better than most of the other Muslims in the show. And but natural, the view that the people normally have, I don't know what he is or not, but when I spoke to him after the show and what I heard the answer in the show, and when I spoke after the show, at least what I experienced, at least he is not at all feeling apology to be a Muslim. He is happy to be a Muslim, unlike what people portray. So at least my opinion about him, good, I did not agree with the opinion of the others. I may be wrong, people may know him better than me, I've only met him once, but what I heard live on the talk show, and what I had a discussion after the show, at least my opinion about him is that fine, he agrees he does something wrong, but he is proud to be a Muslim and he would love to learn more about Islam, and that is what Islam always believes, that not to just hear what people say, but at least my opinion about him is that not what people talk about him. When I met him personally, he was a different person.
Yes, brother. Yeah, welcome.
Shahrukh Khan again and again, but of late I've observed that that is what he says, that he is offering namaz and he plans to go for Hajj inshallah this year. Was it, I don't know, it's because of interaction with you or what has made him, Allah has given him hidayah to pray namaz. Now he is often tweeting that I'm going for namaz and he says that this year I intend to go for Hajj inshallah ta'ala. May Allah give him good hidayah.
I don't know, but I do know that there are common friends between him and me. And he has confessed with me that he has seen many of my DVDs. And pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may give hidayah to all of us and may get us closer to the truth of Islam.
The analysis continues after this break.